Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Hope you are doing great today. So here we go. Evaluate the expression x squared minus 2x plus 12 when x is equal to 1 minus 2i. I should mention that I is the imaginary number. So it becomes, when I substitute for x in the expression, x squared minus 2x plus 12 is equal to, for x I write 1 minus 2i. I square it, minus 2 times 1 minus 2i plus 12. So I need to simplify this. So this is nothing but 1 minus 2i times 1 minus 2i. And then I distribute or multiply by minus 2 to each of the terms in the parentheses. So minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. And then minus 2 times minus 2i. Two minuses will make it plus. And 2 times 2 is 4i plus 12. Now FOIL, or first term, you will see me using the word FOIL for multiplication of the first two terms. First term is F, O is outside term, I is the inside term, and L is the last term. So this becomes equal to, first term is 1 times 1. Then outside term, this is 1 and minus 2i. So minus 1 times 2i. Then I will do the inside term, minus 2i times 1 again. So minus 2i times 1. And then the last term, 2 minuses make it plus. Minus 2 to minus 2 is plus. 2 times 2 is 4. And I times I is 4i squared. And do not forget the minus 2 plus 4i plus 12 that we already had. So 1 times 1 is 1, minus 2i and another minus 2i. Both are negative signs, so they will be added, but we will return the negative sign. So 2i plus 2i is 4i. Okay, I square, by the way, I square is equal to minus 1. That is always true. So let me write that properly. So I square is equal to minus 1. This is, we'll use this property. So plus minus 4i plus 4 for I square, I will write minus 1. And then minus 2 plus 4i plus 12. Okay. So what do I have? 1 minus 4i plus 4 and minus 1 plus with a minus is minus 4. Then minus 2 plus 4i plus 12. Now plus 4i cancels with minus 4i. So what am I left with now? Okay, I'm left with I'm left with 1 minus 4 minus 2 plus 12, which is equal to 1 plus 12 minus 4 minus 2, which is equal to 1 plus 12 is 13, and minus 4 minus 2, both are negative. Add them together, but return the negative sign. So 13 minus 6, the final answer is 7. So that's your final answer. So let me explain once more what I did. I substituted the value of x, or the expression for x, as was given to me, which was x is 1 minus 2i. So x square is 1 minus 2i square minus 2 times 1 minus 2i plus 2i. So 1 minus 2i square is 1 minus 2i multiplied by itself one more time. 1 minus 2i times 1 minus 2i. Minus 2, I will distribute it. Minus 2 or multiply it. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. And 2 minuses make it plus. Minus 2 times minus 2i is plus 4i plus 12. Now for the first two terms, I will FOIL, which is first term 1 times 1. Then the second term, minus 2i times 1. Then the outside term, which is 1 times minus 2i. And then the last term, which is minus 2i times minus 2i, which is plus 4i square. And we will keep minus 2 plus 4i plus 12. So we have 1 times 1 and minus 2i, both are negative. So we add them. Minus 2 times added to minus 2 is minus 4, and then I plus 4. For I square, I write is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 4i plus 12. Okay. So now we will simplify. Minus 4i cancels with plus 4i. And then I have 1 plus 4 times minus 1 is minus 4, minus 2, and then plus 12. So basically, I have 1 plus 12 minus 4 minus 2. 1 plus 12 is 13, minus 4 minus 2 is 6. 13 minus 6 is 7, is the final answer. So I stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll gladly reply to your comment. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you do not like this video, give me a thumbs down. I make tons of videos. Some of them are good, some of them are not so good. So if you give me thumbs down, I will learn from my mistake and I will improve on my next video. However, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like my video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And please do not forget to watch me tomorrow when I'll be back with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.